Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and I just want to give you some background information about this map that's very interesting. This is a map of the United States just at the start of the American Civil War. And here, the states in red, these are states in rebellion. These are the Confederate states. And then the states in the territory in blue, in shades of blue, this was considered Union territory. And sometimes I use these terms interchangeably, Union or the United States. So if I say Union, I mean the United States. And then, this is very interesting, these states in gray, you see the few of them, you got Missouri, Kentucky, West Virginia, Delaware, and Maryland. These are slave states, but slave states that remained with the Union. This is very critical, especially Kentucky here. Kentucky, Abraham Lincoln said that if he were to lose Kentucky, he thought he was going to lose a civil war because Kentucky contained so many foundries and factories that made cannonballs and manufactured guns. And also, too, it's very interesting. You see this state here, West Virginia. West Virginia was created because of the Civil War. Prior to the Civil War, Virginia was this huge state, and then these northern counties over here refused to leave the Union, and so they petitioned Congress to stay with the Union as West Virginia. So just some background information about this map.